Folks, we're here at CRKT with Bryce Gerard. Bryce, good to see you, man.
Good to see you guys.
And you guys won an award.
We did, a major award.
Yeah.
We won Innovative Import Knife of the Year for the Princeton Wong Fial, which we just launched at the Blade Show.
That is really cool.
Yeah,
I love this thing. And I got to say, and you and I have talked about this, I haven't seen a modern folder that actually incorporates a corkscrew that's legit, like a legitimate corkscrew. So that folds back, and then you've got your corkscrew right here. But this is also that lip rest to pull that corkscrew out, or that cork out.
Definitely.
I worked in the restaurant industry for a really long time, and this would have been a very useful tool to have.
It's a classy way to open a bottle. And that's really the way that it came to be. Was Princeton was working with one of his friends who walked in with a high-end knife, and he wanted to merge it with a wine key. You know, necessity, the mother of invention. So Princeton got it, and he really, I think just overall, it's a beautiful knife too. The lines, you can really see is a kind of automotive background there. It's very swooping. That M390 steel on the blade. And the cool thing is the corkscrew actually works off the detent of the blade. You can see it in there. You can see the little detent I keep saying. That was a big reason, I think. We were talking to some of the judges that we won an award, so it's pretty cool.
Look at that mechanism right there. That is just gorgeous.
Yeah.
So, you put that corkscrew up right there.
You can kind of see it in there. Your little detent holds it in. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That is super cool. I mean, just absolutely brilliant. And super sexy as well.
Yeah.
Like, I wonder if I can, reverse flick that. That's
super smooth.
Gorgeous. Congratulations on that win there.
Yeah, we were super excited.
Also got another new knife from him as well, right?
Yes. So a little bit different, but...
Tell us about that one.
So this is the Nucleus. And so Princeton, the inspiration from this one came from the anime series Gundam Wing. I was a big fan when I was a kid. But you can really see that kind of like mechanical look overall. This one was kind of placed on one of the characters. It was like a shield on the front. And you can really kind of see that. This model we actually made in Italy, so we got Magna Cut steel on the blade, carbon fiber on this bolster, and a titanium handle. And this knife just really opens well any way you want it. With the flipper, you can front flip it, and you can do the back flick if you want. So however you want to open a knife, it opens nicely. And it really captured the custom too. It's really cool. We had the customs floating around, and that's what I love to see, when you can hold them up next to each other, and they're spitting images. That's when we know our product team did a good job.
Oh, absolutely.
I think they knocked it out of the park.
And there's also going to be a budget version as
Correct.
well.
There's budget versions of both of these. These both retail around $300. This other will be just above $100.
That's fantastic.
You're just looking at 12C27 in steel instead. Still a great knife.
Right.
Still all the cool lines and the utility, but more affordable.
Nice. I love it. So what else is new coming out here?
And I think those are the big launches for Blade Show. Blade Show Texas, we had the new Alan Folt stuff, which is really exciting. This obverse has just been a real phenom for us. And really cool, coming from our designer who made the minimalist neck knife, like a very simplistic, and then we get to go into stuff that's like so exotic.
The ritual.
Yeah. Alan is just down there in Florida, just cooking up these cool designs. Yeah, the obverse has just got really buttery action. It's on bearings. It's just a really phenomenal knife overall. The carbon fiber is really cool too. It's got blue and silver mylar running through there. And that's what kind of captures the light.
It is gorgeous.
It's a very nice touch. Always love Alan's stuff. He's just a fun guy to hang out with, wealth of knowledge, and he helps train a lot of our other designers. I know Taylor Cummings has spent time with them, Austin McGlone. They've all gone down to Florida and spent time in the Folt's workshop. So it's exciting.
And you guys are really killing it, making some high-end knives now and making budget versions to go along with those. The Soldana, that's
Soldana, yeah. This
Soldana,
was another one that was worthwhile talking. We'll work with Tops to make this to celebrate our 30th anniversary. There's a lot of companies, it's funny, you go talk like Boker, and they've been around for like 150 years, but we're really excited about our 30 years in existence.
Exactly.
So this knife was the knife that Russ Comer made, our founder Rod Bremer's son, or grandson, when they went on one of their first hunting trips. It's a cool story. Really nice caping, bird and trout knife too.
Absolutely.
And it's cool top stuff. I love top stuff.
That is fantastic. Bryce, thank you so much, man. And really excited always to see what you guys have got coming out. I mean, earlier in the year, you guys came out with the Michiga, the Minnow. We got the Redemption in. I mean, just awesome knives. And always excited to see what new you guys have got coming out.
Always something new at Cricket. Well, my voice cracks above a certain octave right now, so the puberty bunny came a little late for Bryce.
I didn't realize that was a mythical creature that existed.
With the dust, you young man. Welcome to manhood.